result of this coming elections. So, for your fifth year mayor, responsable, aktibo at madaling lapitan. Yan po ang ating paninindigan. Rain Maglaya po for 5th year mayor. R-A-I-N. 4 na letra lamang, napakadaling tandaan. R-A-I-N. Rain for 5th year mayor. Yes. For our 5th year vice mayor, please vote our mayor own. Miss Angelica Garcia. And for your 3rd year to 5th year representative,
there's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch, bringing me up the start. Kuya, ikaw naka-blue. Boss Nadal ba yun? Boss Nadal ba? Hindi po siya makasagot kasi po Boss Nadal yun. Oo, kuya, kaya maniwala po kayo na Boss Nadal yun. Kasi nga po, ako po si Adeline naman, ang inyong first representative. Sana po itong boses na ito ay maalala nyo. Sa kanilang boses na ito, ang magiging boses ng mga sayan. So, ulitin ko po sa darating na August 3, bukas po, tandaan yung po, 3rd year to 5th year representative, Adeline naman, Adel.
Ibiyahan po for your Vice Governor, Miss Hazelyn Apostol po, ang Diyosa. Huwag nakalimutan, Apostol. So, ang aming governor naman po is first runner-up po na Mr. Seiya, tapos Petron Scholar, tapos Viper cum laude pa. So, isipin nyo guys, matalino na nga, gwapo pa. So, for your governor, my governor,
Your governor,
our Seiya governor, Mr. Jeff Reyes. Now, again, we are from the Rights Party. Bakit ka po pala Rights Party? Rights stands for
responsible, intelligent, governance,
highlighting
transparency,
and studentry. So ito po ang aming plataforma. Seiya!
We're a school of engineering and architecture. W stands for
Wait! The way it reaches the admin to the students. We want to be your voice in order to for us. We want to be your way to tell the higher ups what you need to do.
A stands for
Active! Gusto namin active ang SEA. Gusto namin active ang SSC. At active ang mga students.
B stands for
Viable solutions. Viable solutions to the problem of SEA. We want to maximize information dissemination for you to know what's going on. And E stands for
empowerment of organizations.
we want to unite the organizations and the SSC. Hindi lang po nandito kami para magbigay ng budget po. Kundi bigay po namin ang aming suporta physically sa inyo po. Yan po ang aming plataforma, ang Say Away. Now we would like to introduce to you our executive committee. Sila po ang mamamahala ng buong SNU. Starting with
For Secretary for Business Affairs ng School of Law, Mr. Harvey Rico.
Harvey Rico, Harvey Rico.
Makalimutan niyo man po ang kanyang pangalan. Ganda lang po kayo. Harvey Rico. Rico.
Okay, Trevor Barrow, School of Engineering and Architecture, running for Secretary for Public Relations, Noel Bernard,
Physicians make good music, cooks make good food, scientists make discoveries. What do? Leaders make difference. Mga kaibigan, nakasaya ako po si Gobernoriano po, GOP. Tinethersawi lang po from being your Secretary for Public Relations. How do you plan to make us difference? Nike has their programs and their platforms na nangangatagang tara na! Kaping busy dahil lumisyon, ikaw na! Sa papo, tara na! Kaping busy dahil lumisyon, ikaw na! Bakit na? This serves as our student participation. The executive committee has their plans and activities that we are willing to offer to you for you to join. We don't want po na sasabihin yung idol ng SSC. Gusto po namin lagi kami active. And how? We want you to join join the activities that we planned for the whole year. Next po is Kapit Bisig. Opo, Kapit Bisig po ni Ate Maya. This serves as our executive committee's decentralization. We want to bridge the gap between the Kasama SSC and the student body. We want to let you know that you have the power. We want to give power to your assemblies and your organizations. Papandan po namin sila. Bibigyan po namin sila ng support for their activities that they offer for you. Next po is the student empowerment. Student empowerment saying, ikaw na. Opo, ikaw na. Each and every student is responsible for their actions. And we know that you have the leader inside you. And we want to award those leadership skills inside you and you want to bring them out from you. Muli po, ako po si Gobloriano, opo, GOB po ulit, running for the position of Secretary of Public Relations. Don't forget po, on August 3, think rights, vote rights! Muli po, Gobloriano, kapag po mga ate at kuya, kapag po nakalimutan yung pangalan ko habang bumoboto, mga ate at kuya, pikit lang po kayo. Maalala niyo na po ako. Salamat po.
From the School of Accountancy and Business Management, running for the position of Secretary for Audit, Mr. Sean Marilla. Sean Marilla! Sean Marilla!
Kalokalike!
What we tend to forget is that an ideal leader is not made by waiting, but by voting. Good day, fellow Tunisians. Tomorrow is the election day, and it will just be a matter of making the right choice of the right person in the right position. And let us all remember that our lives are not made by the dreams we dream, but by the choices we make. So, thank you po.
Gabus! Gabus! Gabus!
Numbers, brother. Secretary for Finance, Mr. Mig Petito.
Mig Petito! Mig Petito!
From our various School of Engineering and Architecture, BSc 4 for Executive Secretary, Ms. Diana Yocho.
Now for Vice President of the School of Teacher Education, Mr. Jerry Feria.
Now guys, I would like to introduce you to the most important person of the Rights family. From the School of Law, my president.
Your president.
The Kasama SSC president.
Miss Kim Hawk Cortez.
Miss Kim Hawk Cortez.
Miss Kim Hawk Cortez.
Miss Kim Hawk Cortez.
Miss Kim Hawk, Cortez!
Miss Kim Hawk Cortez. The Kasama SSC president.
An advocacy where I can never say I am not. The advocacy not just to give you things, but to continue making things happen with you. Kasama po dapat namin kayo. Once again po, I am your Ate Kimberly Agnesco, Kim Hawk Cortez, and I tell you po, kulang na kulang man po ako sa height, never po akong magkukulang ng enthusiasm sa pagsisilbi sa inyo. Magandang umaga po.
So yes po ang aming execom na nagsasabi,
Tara na! Dating sisig, dahil tulisyan, ikaw na!
So on August 3 po, we encourage you to vote. Dahil karapatan nyo yun eh. You have the power to choose your future leaders. And we from the Rights family is here to serve you. So guys, on August 3 po, don't forget